Skyline University Nigeria's administration department plays a vital role in conducting the overall academic and student services. The function of the department are as follows: organizing and planning academic year with respect to courses, manpower requirement and defining academic calendar. To prepare the graduation plan for students and prepares ready reckoners. Ensures students' compliance with the admission, attendance requirement and progress in accordance to the academic policies. Conducts examinations timely and declares the progressing students' results as per the calendar. Coordinates with different departments to serve the students' community. Our services are as follows: responding to all queries of the students and resolves issues within a time frame. Issues all certificates and letters to the students in a timely manner. Maintains campus discipline. It's a center of information flows to students, parents and regulatory agencies. Visit the Administration Department in Skyline University, Nigeria to know more.